All right, everyone. Hey, I am Brittany Roper, and I am a DP biology teacher here at Riverstone. And I want to give you an introduction, kind of what you would encounter if you were to take biology here. So, IB biology is a really unique subject that it goes into a lot of conceptual ideas about the world around you. And really, what they're trying to encapsulate is that biology is the study of life, and that the vast diversity of species makes biology like an endless source of curiosity and fascination, but also super challenging. Biologists are going to attempt to understand that living world at all levels, from the micro, and we're talking biochemistry, and all the way to the macro, using a lot of different approaches and techniques. It's still a young science, and it's some of the most cutting edge stuff that we're seeing when it comes to things like the mRNA vaccines coming out and genetic manipulation and those sorts of things. So it's going to be a very growing science in the 21st century. And I think we're going to start to see a lot of different sciences come in and weave biology together. So it's a really important progress with growing pressure on our human population and the environment. We're going to be needing to understand the study of life more and more. And so some of the key content that you're going to be experiencing, no matter what, if you are in the SL version of this course, you will experience a study in cell biology, molecular biology, genetics, ecology, evolution and biodiversity, and then human physiology. If you are going to take the HL version of this course, you will study nucleic acids, metabolism, cell respiration and photosynthesis. You are going to study plant biology, you're going to study genetics and evolution, and then animal physiology. What I'm currently doing is I'm actually setting up one of our staple labs for this course, which is where we are going to genetically modify bacteria to glow in the dark and express different colors. And this is a really capstone lab project because it's bringing together all of those concepts that I just mentioned. You might be questioning what kind of tests you'll be asked to complete in this course, and you would be taking what's called paper 1, which is a multiple choice content-based assessment. Then you'll have paper 2, which is data-based short answer questions. Then you'll have paper 3, which is practical lab-based questions. And then you have also an internal assessment, which is where you go and do an independent lab. You're going to be given lots of lab skills throughout your time here in our course. And then at the end of it, you're going to be expected to ask a question and conduct that experiment on your own. Additionally, you'll also do a interdisciplinary cross science investigation that we call the Group 4 project that is required to receive your diploma. Key differences for HL and SL, though, HL is really going to take that content to a new level. It's going to take it to that deeper level. So you'll be learning about DNA at SL, but at the HL level, you will be learning about the structure of DNA and how it actually replicates and things like that. The HL tests are a little bit longer because they're going to go into more depth, but you have the same assessments. But biology, it's literally all around you. And this course, it helps you uncover so much information about your own biological makeup that's going to shed new light on understanding not only your interaction with the world, but the interaction of the world with you. And so there are things about your health you'll learn. There are things about our environment that you'll learn. Just a lot of things that can really become uncovered. But the biggest thing that you'll be challenged with in this course is to become a genuine thinker, where you're starting to ask your own questions and develop a process to answering some of those questions. So it's not about necessarily being super right in this course as it is trusting yourself that if you have a question, there's a reason for that. So if you've got questions, please make sure that you let me know, and I'd be happy to talk with you about biology more.